Hello everyone, welcome back to Graphilus, and in this video we will create our first design, and that first design we will create only by using elements and a little bit of text. Okay, so let's start with creating a logo for a burger brand. Okay, this is our theme for today, a logo for a burger brand. So for that the size will be particularly for an Instagram post or square size particular to be. Okay, so we will start by creating a design. Let's click on create a design and let's select this Instagram post square option. So we have here a blank canvas of a particular size, that is for Instagram post, that is 108 pixel into 108 pixel. Let's start by adding a background color to this canvas. We will click on it, and at the top bar we will see background color. We click on a black color for now. Okay, our canvas is now in black color. We will start by adding some elements. Let's first search for a round shape. So we will go to elements, we will go to shapes. We see here round circle. So now circle is on the canvas and it is in gray color. So we will just change the color by using this color option at the top panel. To select the element and click on color option, we will select bright red. Now our circle is in red color. Now let's imagine something. How does a logo look? Obviously a burger brand would have a burger in it. Okay, but before that we just have to create a background for it. So we have a good red circle here. Now what we want is that we want to give this circle a white border. So let's click on this circle and let's select this border style option from here. We will get a border of 15 pixels. You can see the numbering increasing, and okay, we have it 15 pixels. The border is not visible because it's of black color, same as the background color. So for changing the border color, we will select this border color option from the top panel and give it a white color. Now our circle is in red color and we can see the border in white color. Okay, let's now add a shape that is square. Okay, we will just change the color from here at the top panel. We will just resize this to a rectangle and we will just match it to the border. So now what we have to do, we have to center it to the circle. These both need to be center. So select the circle, press shift and select the rectangle. Now we just need to make sure that these both are in same alignment. So we'll just go to position, we will see middle, center. Yeah, that's fine. Our both shapes are aligned to the center. Okay, so now we will search for a burger to be put in this logo. Okay, so let's search the elements for a burger and we will add a word clip art because we don't want a realistic burger here. So we can see a good photo of burger here, that is this one. Okay, we will select this one. So initially it's placed just at the center of our logo and that's great. So now it's time to add some text for this logo. Let's start by clicking the text in the left panel, add a little bit of text option. Okay, let's type a text for this particular area. We will give it the text as bite into heaven. So our text color is of black color. It looks good, no doubt. Now we will change the text font. So now we will give it a good color so that it matches with the background. We will give it a white color. And now the main challenge is to shape this into half arc. So we will shape this by choosing the option effects. We will choose the effect and we will go down here at the curve. Okay, when we click on it, we get option to adjust this curve, adjust it accordingly. Okay, I feel this is the best. Now we will just resize our text and give it a center position. Great. So now we have a text representing a burger and this bite into heaven. Let's add another text. We will click on add a little bit of text again. Let's mention that how old is our burger brand, EST. And we will keep the track of this font, that is a Roboto. So we will give this also the same text name, that is Roboto, and we will give it a black color cause that's a white background. Great. Now we'll copy the text and we will just add here some ear. Okay, great. Now this represents that our brand was established in 1998 Now the main here, that what's our brand name, we will add the brand name here. Let's make this burger logo a little small so that everything fits in our logo well. Let's take it a little up. Great. Okay, so currently I don't have a burger name, so let's give it some name like burger only, and we will change the font. Okay, we gave it a brick sans font. Let's change the color of this font. Great. We just adjust and we'll just adjust some spacing here. Now we have a good burger logo. We will just give it some finishing touch so that our burger text is visible clearly. Let's tilt this burger a little so that it feels more premium. Okay, so finally we have created a good looking logo for a burger brand, and that's our first design. Congratulations on creating a first design. Just get creative by using some different background colors, some different border colors. It's your own creativity that matters. We will love to see your designs. Just share your designs with us on our email ID or our Instagram handle. We will just love to see and give feedbacks. So as we have created this particular logo, now the last task is to export this logo and save it on our PC or laptop. For that, we will select share option. We will just go to this download. Now it's your choice that you want to save this file as a PNG or as a JPG or as a PDF or as a PDF print. It's your choice. So for now we will save it in PNG format because it's our illustration and it will be saved in good quality. So let's download this, and here our downloading is starting. Now our file is downloaded. Now you have this logo saved onto your computer or laptop. You can share this logo in your CV or on your Instagram handle or on any other social platform. Congratulations on creating your first design by using only the elements and text from Canva. And in the next video we will talk about how to animate this logo. So see you soon. Until then, goodbye.